जय हो शंकरा.
Hi everyone, this is Rucha and I welcome you to my vlog. In today's episode, we are going to talk about the most auspicious occasion of Mahashivratri, and I will also take you along with me to Mumbai's most iconic and ancient Shiva temple, Babulnath Mandir. The 14th day of every lunar month, a day before the new moon, is known as Shivratri. Of all the 12 Shivratris, the one that occurs during the month of Falgun or during February-March is known as Mahashivratri, and this particular Shivratri has special spiritual significance. On this night of Mahashivratri, the northern hemisphere of planet Earth is positioned in such a way that there is a natural upsurge of energy in the human being. This is a day when nature itself is pushing oneself towards one's spiritual peak, and this night of Mahashivratri is celebrated all night by chanting, worshipping Lord Shiva. Mahashivratri is a night to receive the unlimited grace and compassion and the vastness of Shiva. So let this night of Mahashivratri be a night of wakefulness and awakening for you. So friends, on this note, let us go and visit Babulnath Mandir, which is one of Mumbai's oldest, popular and iconic temples of Lord Shiva. Not only is this temple an attraction for tourists and devotees, but there are hundreds and thousands of stories of the faith that is reposed in Lord Babulnath by various devotees, one of which we shall see there.
जय हो शंकरा. आदिदेव शंकरा. तेरे जाप के बिना चले ये सांस किस तरह. मेरा कर्म तू ही जाने, क्या बुरा है क्या भला. तेरे रास्ते पे मैं तो आंख मूंद के चला. तेरे नाम की जोत ने सारा हर लिया तमस मेरा. नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु हे शिवाय शंकरा. नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा.
Today I'm at the most iconic and famous Shiva temples of Mumbai, Babulnath Mandir, which is located in South Mumbai near the Malabar Hill, Girgaon Chowpatty area. This temple is so famous and it is visited by hundreds and thousands of devotees every Shivratri and also throughout the year.
नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा.
Legend has it that about 200 years ago, this spot where the Babulnath temple is located used to be a grazing land. So there was one trader by the name of Pandurang who would send his cattle for grazing over here. One day it was noticed that there was one cow who would come and give milk at a particular spot every day. The curiosity of this cow giving milk led to the people digging the land over here. And what they discovered is the beautiful Swayambhu self-made original Shivling of Bhagwan Babulnath. So Mahashivratri is the festival when this temple is most frequented by devotees of Lord Shiva and also other devotees. Mahashivratri, just like any other Indian festival, doesn't have a single reason for its celebration. The ancient Indian texts contain many stories describing the origin of this festival. One of the well-known stories is of the Samudra Manthan, the churning of the milk ocean. During the churning of the milk ocean, a poison called halahal came out of the milk ocean and Lord Shiva consumed it. So Mahashivratri is supposed to be the day or the night when Lord Shiva consumed that poison and saved the world. His love and compassion for the world, Lord Shiva drank the deadly poison called halahal. And the night that he drank this deadly poison is known as Mahashivratri. This on Mahashivratri, devotees honor Lord Shiva by fasting through the day and staying away throughout the night and worshipping Lord Shiva all night.
सृष्टि के जन्म से भी
So there are many stories of faith associated with Lord Babulnath. Here is one from one devotee. Let us hear.
Like, I have a lot of faith in Babulnath. I have a story to share, and it has, always built up my faith more and more and more. And at this point, I have nothing else except and only faith. When I was 20 years old, I got a proposal, and my husband is hearing impaired. I was not sure, what I'm heading for. So I was reading Shiv Puran those days. I just came quickly to Babulnath and I just opened my Shiv Puran and I got a chapter which had like Shiv Parvati Vivah. So I didn't know what is faith that time, what is his will, nothing like that. All I knew that my dad is very strict and I have no choice. But then just holding on to that chapter, I said, okay, I'll go ahead. And whatever mistakes I had made in the past, I didn't want to, make my dad more angry. So I said, okay, I'll just go ahead, and trust me, it's been a beautiful, perfect wedding. It's been like 32 years of a marriage now. I have grandchildren also, grandchild rather. I have 2 beautiful kids, and I have like mother-in-law, father-in-law, sister-in-laws. We all are like very close to each other. We have had our share, but we still love each other. The love is always there, but the beauty about Babulnath is that he made me so free, and somehow whomever I got connected, they are also free from me, and I'm also free from Everything for me is faith. All I tell my children and my grandchild that nothing works in life except faith will work. Whatever is, is in your destiny, that will only come to you. And if we accept that faith, everything is freedom and everything is so beautiful.
जय हो शंकरा आदिदेव शंकरा तेरे जाप के बिना चले ये सांस किस तरह.
Sundarnath Baba, he's really Sundar. Because of his tapasya, it's his creation. Basically, God was so pleased with him, he gave him darshan that I want to come to Bombay. So you please, get everybody and, find me. And he pointed this place to him. And that's how, Babulnath, he manifested. And from that, he's been so kalyankari and he's so auspicious and he's just taking care of all of us.
मतलब कोई जो ग्वाले जैसे जंगल में गाय चराने जाते हैं तो उनको रोज़ फिर गाय का दूध का एक टाइम रहता है.
हाँ.
फिर घर पे नहीं देती तो पता लगा है भी गाय का दूध क्यों नहीं आ रहा, तो वो इधर स्नान करा के चली जाती है
गाय.
हाँ.
और फिर इसके नीचे शिवलिंग मिला.
हाँ, शिवलिंग मिला फिर स्वयं को. तो हमले होते थे तो उस प्रकार से अगर पहले मंदिर होगा छोटा तो उसको मिटा दिया होगा. स्वयं लिंग है तो उनका प्रभाव तो कहीं जाने वाला है नहीं. तो इस प्रकार से उन्होंने गाय के माध्यम से सबको बताया.
अच्छा.
कि भाई यहाँ पे मैं बैठा हूँ। ये वाले हनुमान जी और उधर के गणपति छोटे और उधर काली माता, ये सब स्वयं।
Ground was dug. 5 idols came out of the ground. One was Shivling of Babulnath, Ganesh, Hanuman and Parvati, and one more. The 4 idols of Shiva, Hanuman, Parvati and Ganpati, Ganesh, are established in this temple of Babulnath. The 5th one had to be immersed in the sea because it had probably got spoiled. Lord Shiva is known to be the most compassionate and the greatest of all givers. On this day of Mahashivratri, one who takes the name of Lord Shiva with a lot of love and devotion is bestowed with great blessings of Lord Shiva, and the person is freed of all the sins. Har Har Mahadev, Om Namah Shivaya. Jai Babulnath. So dear friends, if you like this episode of Lord Shiva, Babulnath and Mahashivratri, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and share this with all your family and friends. Thank you for watching.
क्या बुरा है क्या भला